Another 2 vulnerabilities was found, resulting in a second email to be sent by Mr. Tariq this month. The CTO himself has said that a denial of service attack and a source code exposure vulnerability was found and needs to be patched immediately. Thankfully, the team at Vercel built us a tool to help break up with React2Shell. This tool helps to scan and patch your project with one simple command. Firstly, open up your existing project and copy over this command. This will now tell you which current version you are on and the 4 vulnerabilities it's checking against. For me, my current version is safe from the critical vulnerability that caused the panic a few weeks ago, but needs a further update for the related vulnerabilities to be patched. Once you're prompted for confirmation, go ahead and type Y and hit enter to start the automated update. You will now see the total amount of changes made, and that's it. I even tried playing around with the proof of concept to make sure it was patched, but Windows Defender kept deleting my file. I'll leave the link to the POC for you to try out as well if you're not a Windows user like me.